Welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me for the fifth of our webinars on different technology, all the different Q&As, remote work and such. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'd really like to talk about the COVIDSafe app. I'm getting a lot of questions about it, a lot of questions about your data security. Will the app work? Why are we using this app? And so forth. So yeah, I thought I'd do some questions on that. I've had a few questions come in from Facebook, so I want to answer some questions and address some queries on that. To get started, so let's start with the basics. The COVIDSafe app. So what is it? It's an iPhone and Android app that the government are asking everyone to install and use to try to detect different contacts or transmissions of the coronavirus. So how this works is they're using Bluetooth. So your phone, everyone's phone has Bluetooth on it, and they're trying to use that as a method of detecting when you're near someone else and when you're likely to have had a contact event. Now, it's not your normal Bluetooth that you're using. So once you are connected and you're using, say, a Bluetooth speaker, an Apple Watch, that's a paired device and it stays connected. The technology they're using is the Bluetooth scanning tech, where you're looking and searching for a device. Now, that's under particular lockdown on Apple devices, and it's not perfect on Android devices. So there are some limitations to the app, and I'd like to address some of the concerns and problems with the app. The purpose of using Bluetooth is, and a really good way of thinking of it is, it keeps track of what's called a contact event. So if I'm at a cafe and you and I both touch a coffee, maybe barista and me hands a coffee across, that's an actual contact event. Now, your device isn't going to be perfect at detecting that precise contact event, but if everyone's using it correctly, it's a pretty good method of tracking that contact event. Up until this point, all of these contact events, all this data is encrypted and locked on your phone. They're not sharing it yet. It is safely locked on your phone with encryption keys that are managed and protected in your device. But I will get to the point where they do the actual data sharing shortly.